Welcome to all. Today I am going to continue chapter number 1, place value. In this we will learn exercise 1C. See on your screen. International system and Indian system. The comparison of Indian and international. 10,000 in 5 digits, we can say 10,000, it is same. Next, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. This is known as 6 digits number. Next, 10 lakh is equals to 1 million. This is 7 digits number. After this, we will learn international system. Again, it is same, divided into 3 period. The international system has 3 places in each period: ones, thousands, million. Ones consisting 3 place. Ones, tens, hundred. Then thousand consisting 3 place. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 1 million, 10 million and 100 millions. See on your screen. Next, just now we have learned comparison again. They start from ones till lakh. See, first, second, third, fourth and fifth till 10,000, it is same in both system, international as well as Indian system. After this, the changes will come in lakh. 1 lakh equals to 100,000 and 10 lakh equals to 1 million. This changes only. See, one example. Let us read the number in both international and Indian system. The first one is international system. In this one, see, the 9 will come in 1's place, 1 will come in 10th place, 8 is coming in 100 place, 7 will come in 1000 place, 3 will come in 10,000 place and 2 will come in 100,000 place and then million. This is international system. Next is Indian system. See the Indian system. Again, ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is same. Only the changes will come lakh. So, 100,000 equals to 1 lakh. It means the 2 place value is lakh and the 5 place value is 10 lakh. See on your screen. Next. Now, we will start our exercise 1C. First question. 10 people have about 1 million hairs in all. How we will write in million? We know that ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. It means ones consisting 3 place, 1000 consisting 3 place and then million will come. So write 1 million like this. Second, the moon is about 353,400 kilometer from the earth. Again, it is in the international system. So we have to convert in that only. So 1000, it means 3 places are there in 1000 and 3 places are there in ones. See, what is the question? 300. 56,000, it means 356. Then 400 kilometers, so 4, then we will write like this. The next one, do it yourself. Next, insert comma. It means according to international, it is very easy to put comma. It means we count from the right hand side and every 3 places we will put comma. See the first one, 712801. It means 108, 217, comma. See how we will write 712,801. Okay. Rest do it yourself. Next, give the value of the colored digit using the international system. See, we have to find the colored digit. What is the place value? See, color digit is 3. It means we have to find the place value of 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we will write there the place value of 3 is 30,000. Next, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So the place value of color digit, that is 6, is 6 million. Rest do it yourself. Next, write the following numbers in the Indian as well as international systems using both figures and word. It means we have to write in both the systems. See the first one, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. How we will write? 8,50,009. This we will write in the Indian. Now we will write for international. How we will write? International means the lakh. 1 lakh equals to 100,000. So how we will write? 850,009. Next, again read this one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means there are 2 numbers in lakh. We will write 16 lakh. After that, these 2 for 1000. So we will write 70,000. Then we will write 112. Now for the international, we know that 10 lakh equals to 1 million. It means this 1 we will write as 1 million. 1,670,000. It means 670. 670 means 670,000. 112. This exercise is completed. Now we will come to a next topic, that is rounding. Rounding means in this one many rules are there for round off. Round off like nearest to 10, nearest to 100, then 1000. How we will do? See, rules of rounding in the same page, page number 17. The first, when we round a number to the nearest 10, we use the nearest multiple of 10. Next, when we round a number to the nearest 100, we use the nearest multiple of 100. Next, when we round a number to the nearest 1000, we use the nearest multiple of 1000. Next, how to write in number line? This number line, round using a number line. In number line, one example is given. Round 1143 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means the ones value, the ones place will be changed. Okay. See, Example, first find which two tens the number lies between. It means we know that this 1143 tens means it will come in 1140 and 1150. Okay. After this, midway, it means after this, mark the halfway. Halfway means what is the half of 140? The half of 140 is, mark the halfway point on the number line. It means the 40 and the 50, half is 45. So we put 45, we write 45 there in between. Then what is your number? Our number is 1143. 1143 will come before 1145. So marked it. Then see, the closer number will come. The closer number is 1140. So we will write 1143 round to 1140. Same, this nearest 100. Nearest 100 means the 10th and the ones place will be 0. See, 7750 comes between the 100. It means that will come 7700, 7800, and the middle number will come 7750. It means 7. See, so it is coming in the middle only. Our answer will come in middle. So we can write any one. Either we can write 7700 or we can write 7800, because the question is coming in the halfway only. Next, round 27,454 to the nearest 1000. 1000 means ones, tens and 100. Places will be changed. See, so first 27,000 and 28,000 will come. So here the middle one is 27,500. Now our number is 27,454. So this will come in the previous one, that is 27,000. Now the answer is 27,454 is rounded to 27,000. It is completed. Now see our exercise. Use any method you like. See the first one, that is 1346. 1346 means we have to convert nearest to the 10. 10 means this 6 will be changed. So how we will write our number? 346. It means this we can write, it is coming between 1340 and 1350. See, and the middle number is 1345. Our question is 1346. It means middle number is 1345. So this is greater than this number. So the answer is coming 1350 is the answer. See on your screen. Next, see this question. In this one, 92407. We have to convert in nearest to 10. It means the 7, here we want 0. So here this we can write like this, 92400. 9 to 410. So here the middle value will come 92405. It means this number is greater. So our answer will come 92410. Done. Next, round to the nearest 100. 100 means we have to convert, 100 means the ones and the tens place value will be changed. See, 649. It means these two places will be changed. 649 means it is this we have to write in 100. 100 means 600, and after that 600, 100, it means 600, then 700 will come. So, and the middle value is coming what? That is 650 is the middle value. But our question is 649. 649 means this one. So here the answer is, it is nearest 600. Done. Next, one more question we will do. This one. 58009. Okay. Here 58000 and here will come 58. In this one we have to convert these two places, ones and tens. It means 58,000 and 58,100. So our number is, between number will come what? 58,050. It is more than, it is less than this number. So this is the answer. So answer is 58000. Round to the nearest 1000. See, 1000 means 3 place value will be changed. So question is 2364. This we have to write in 1000. So 2000 and 3000. See, and middle value is 2500. But our question is, middle value is 2500 and our question is 2364. It means the question is less than the middle value. It means it will go to 2000. So the answer is 2000. If the question is more than the middle value, so that will come the second one. If the question is less than middle value, so that will go to the first answer. See on your screen and do it fast. See this one. 35502. So this we have to convert in nearest 1000. 35,000, 36,000. So The middle value is 35,500. 35,500 and see our question, that is 35,502. It means it is more than the half value. So the answer is second one. So here we will write the answer. It is 36,000. Do it in your notebook. Next, we will see number patterns. What is number patterns? Number patterns, it means odd number, even number. Already we have learned. See, first is consecutive numbers. In this one, the consecutive number is numbers that come one after the other on the number line are called consecutive numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the consecutive numbers. Next is consecutive even numbers. Even numbers means we know that that number will come in table 2. That is known as even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the consecutive even numbers. Next, consecutive odd numbers. Odd number means that numbers not coming in 2 table and not divisible by 2 table. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the consecutive odd numbers. See on your screen. Now, the next topic is Roman numbers. In this one, 7 basic symbols represented by these letters. Letters are, in Roman number, I means 1. In Hindu, Arabic 1. 5 means V. 10 is X. 50 is L. 100 is C. And 500 is D. And 1000 is M. Some certain rules for this. See, first number rule. Putting a letter after one of bigger value means you add it. So, here we start 75. 75. How 75 we will write? 50 plus 10 plus 10 and 5. It means first we write 50. 50 means we will write L. Then X 10. Again X 10. Then V means 5. Like this we will write. 60. 60 means 50 plus 10. In this one, suppose if the number is less than 100, it means we have to use the highest number is 50. Okay? And if the number is less than 50, we will use X as a highest value. 60. 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. 50 means L and 10 means X. See. Next, putting a letter before one of bigger value means you subtract, right? In this 40, the highest value is 50 because it is less than 100. So, we will write first highest value, that is L. Now, in this one, the letter before one of bigger value means you subtract. So, 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. But here we will write XL. XL represent 40. Next, 94. 94 means 100 minus 6. Or we can say that 100 minus 10, that is 90. How we will write? 100 we represent C. So first we have done 90. So how the 90 we will write? 90 we will write X and C represent 90. Then 4. 4 means less than 5. 5 is V. If we write this side like this we will write. If we go this side we will write like this. So here is 5 minus 1 is 4. So we will take this 4. So X C I V. Letter can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times, not 4 times. See, 80 we will write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So L X X X. But if 90, how the 90 we will write? 90 we will write 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means 100 represent C and 10 represent X. So here we will write XC. Just now we have done. Next, when a smaller number that has been made of two letters using the addition subtraction rule is combined with a larger number, the whole of the smaller number is written to the right of the larger one. See, in this one, 59. 59 means 50 plus 9. So, 50 means 50 and 9, and 9 means 10 minus 1. Okay, so 50 means L and 10 minus 1 is 9. We will write like this. Same this one. Last exercise of this chapter, place value. Exercise 1E. First question. Fill in the boxes with Hindu Arabic numerals. See, XL, just now we have done XL means this is 50 minus 10 is 40. This one X is 10. LX is 50 plus 10 plus 10. 70. XXX 30. Then this is X is 10 and this C is 100. So the X is smaller one. A smaller number will, when we start from the smaller number, so it means we have to do subtract. So here 100 minus 10 will come 90. 90 means XC. So the answer is 90. XX 20. LX 60. 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 100. This is 50. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals. See. X, X, I, V. X means 10. This is also 10. And this is 5 minus 1. Why 5 minus 1? Because started from smaller number. So that's why, and this represent 5. So 5 minus 1 means 4. 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equals to 24. So The answer is 24. Next, XC. Just now explain the previous question. Next, this one. 55, 1 and 1. 55, 6, 7. 57. So, this answer is 57. Next question. XLIV. XLIV. This one. In this one, this is 10 and this is 50. It means this shows 40. Plus again, this is 5, this is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So here we will write 44. Rest question, do it yourself. See. Next, compare using greater or equal sign. See on your screen. This represent what? C represent 100. But before smaller number is there, it means 100 minus 10 is 90. And this is L. L means 50. Before that, smaller number is there. Before smaller means we have to do subtraction. After smaller number means we have to do addition. So here 40. Greater is which one? 90. Next. Again the same thing. 40 plus 4. 44. And here 50 plus 10, 60 and 64. So greater number is 64. Last question of this chapter. Give the answers in Roman numerals. It means we have to add first and then the answer will come in Roman numerals. See, 10, 20, 25. This is started from a smaller number. It means 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 plus 25 is 65. 65 means 50 plus 10 plus 5. So L, X, V. Okay. Do it fast. 62 plus 12 is 74. 74 means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. So L, X, X, I, V. Do it fast in your notebook. This one. L means 50. 10, 20, 30. This represent 30 and this is 9. 39. 50 minus 39 is 11. How we will write 11? 11 means 10 plus 1. X, I. This is the last solution of this question. In chapter, let's see recap. In this one, we have learned Indian system, largest 6 and 7 digit number, smallest 7 and 8 digit number, standard numeral, number name, international system, rules of rounding, number pattern, Roman number. Thank you for attending this class. Now, for worksheet and assignment, you can refer a link given in the description box. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.